So determinant of suppose A. A. So this will be 2 and 2 minus 1 minus 5 0. And would be 0 column. Okay, 0. Okay. Minus 1, right? And minus 2 and minus 5 and 0. Okay, considering this. And plus 3 minus 1 minus 2 and 2 and minus 1. So we'll consider this. So considering the first column.
0.
0.
0 plus 5.
0. Yeah, minus of minus is plus, but minus will be there, minus 5. Okay, and this is 0, and this is plus, and this is 1, and minus of minus plus. Plus. Okay. And then afterwards, simplifying it further, what do you get? Minus 10 plus 15 gives out to be 5. So that is the determinant. So I've been given the matrix A, and let us find what is the determinant. Okay, so let us try to solve this. Okay, now this will be 1, and this is 1, and minus 3, correct? Minus 3, 4, and minus 9. And this will be minus 1, and then 2 minus 3,
2
minus 3,
5
5,
minus 9.
minus 9, yes. And the next one is minus 2, okay, minus 2. Minus 2, 2, 1, and 5, 4. So let us simplify this further. This is 1 multiplied into minus 9 and plus 12. Plus 12. See, 3 multiplied into 4 is 12, but minus of minus plus. So minus 1. Okay. 2 multiplied into minus 9 gives minus 18, and then this will be minus of minus plus 15, plus 15, and this is minus 2 and 8 and minus 5. So we got this. So this will be 3, yeah, this will be 3, and this will be plus 3, and this will be minus 6, which is to 0. So let us solve this to find the value of x now. Okay, let us solve this now. So this will be 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5, which is equal to 2x into x minus 4 into 6. square, which is 3, and x is equal to plus or minus 3. That is the solution. Okay. So let us find the value of x. Okay. Again, this is 2 into 5. Okay. Minus 3 into 4, which is equal to x into 5 minus 3 into 2x. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. So we get this. So finally, if you remove the signs here, so this implies that x is equal to 2. So we got the value of x, which is 2. Okay.
2.
Yeah. So let us say verify the property 1. Verify property 1 for this. Okay. Now expanding the determinant along first row, we have so determinant is 2, 0, 4, 5, minus 7, okay, and minus of minus 3, which is 6, 4,
0,
1, minus 7.
1, minus 7.
Very good, very good. Plus 5, can you tell me?
0, 4,
6, 0, 6, 0,
6, 0, 1,
1,
5,
5. That's it.
5.
So let us simplify it further. This is 2. So 0 multiplied into 7, minus 7 gives 0. And this is minus 20. Okay. And this is plus 3 multiplied into this will be 6 sevens are 42 minus 42. See the sign, and this is minus 4. Okay, and this is 5, and this is 30 minus 0. Okay. Now further simplifying it, we get that as minus 40 minus 138, and this is plus 150, which gives as minus 28. So this is the expanding the determinant,
Yes.
okay, along the first row. We got this.
Yes.
Okay. So by interchanging rows and column, we get as let us name this as delta 1. Okay. So this will be 2, 6, 1, okay, minus 3,
Yes.
0, 5, and 5, 4, minus 7. Okay. Now expanding along the first column. Okay, let us expanding along the first column. 2, okay, considering that. So this will be 0, 5, and 4,
4,
minus
minus
7.
7.
Yeah. And minus 3, let us take that. Okay, column. We are considering the first column. Okay, so 6, 1, and 4,
0,
4, and minus 7.
4,
Okay,
minus 7.
and
Yes.
1, sorry, 5, 5. Yeah, 5. Okay, column, no? So 5,
Yes.
6, 1, 0, 5. Okay.
Yes.
So on further simplifying it, 2, this will be 0, minus 20, okay, plus 3, And this is minus 42 minus 4 plus 5. This is 30. So get this. So on further simplifying, we get this as minus 40 minus 138 and plus 150, which is equal to minus 28. So we got it clearly says that delta which we got as a minus 28 as well as delta 1 is also minus 28. Okay, so
Yes.
right, see, so we have verified the first property. So let us verify the property 3, which is if any two rows or columns of the determinant are identical, all the corresponding elements are same, then the value of the determinant is 0. Okay, let us see that now. Expanding along first row. Okay, let us see that expanding along the first row. Okay, we get delta, which is 3. Okay. So this is 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 2. So this will be okay. Now further
Yes.
simplifying this, we get this as 3. This will be 6 minus 6. Okay, and this is minus 2, and this is 6 minus 9, and 3, and 4 minus 6.
Yes.
Okay,
6.
yeah. So if you look at this, when you try to simplify it, so this will be 0. This is minus 2 into minus 3, right? And
Yes, sir.
plus 3 into this is minus 2, correct? So you got plus 6 and minus 6, which results to 0. So if you look at this, the row 1, okay, and the row 2, which are identical. So that is the third property we have verified by taking the example.
Yes.
Okay, so this is as R3, row 3. So these are equal, 3 to 3 and 3 to 3. So we have verified the third property.
Yes, sir.
Let us prove this now, which is equal to AQ. Now applying the operations, okay, on this. So let us consider R2, which is R2 minus 2 R1. And let us consider another operation, that is R3, R3 minus 3 R1. Okay, to the given determinant, which is this. Okay, so let us apply that. So we will not be touching the row 1. Okay, so let us see with respect to R2 and R3. After doing the row operations, we get this. Okay. So let us apply on R3 now. R3 is R3 minus 3 R2. Okay, so we get that as delta, which is A 0 0 A plus B, and this is A 0 and A plus B plus C, 2a plus b, and this will be a. So we get this. So expanding along C1. Okay, along C1 we get delta, which is a. This will be a 2a plus b 0, and this is, and the rest is 0. So we get this as a square 0, so which is equal to a, which we got on the right hand side, which is AQ. So we have proved it. Okay, so this will result in, so okay, since the elements of R1 and R3 are proportional. Let us find the minors and the cofactors of all the elements of the determinant, which is 1, minus 2, 4, and 3. So minor of the element, okay, that is of an element a I j is m I j. Okay. So here a11 which is equal to 1. So minor m11 is minor of a11, which is 3. Okay, and m12 is minor of a12, which is 4, and m21 minor of a21, which is equal to minus 2, and m22, which is the minor of the element of a22, which is equal to 1. So these are the minors. Now the cofactors of cofactors of aij is aij. Okay, so that will be a11 is minus 1, 1 plus 1. Okay, or which is m11, which is minus 1 square into 3, which is equal to 3. Okay. Yeah. So a21, which will be minus 1, 2 plus 1. Right? Yeah, and this is m21. So this is minus 1 over cube. This is minus 2, which is 2. And a22, which is minus 1, 2 plus 2. m22 minus 1 over 4 into 1, which gives out to be 1. So these are